Yeah.
All right, we have something new.
We do.
Yeah, there is a new view. Software tab.
We've shown this before,
We have.
but it has an upgrade.
It does.
What's the upgrade?
So you see the new tabs, or pardon me, new columns where
Uh-huh.
you see outdated and not installed.
Yes.
Brand new.
They're brand new. And guess what else is brand new?
What?
Before, the software tab would only show you software that was in your environment,
Mm-hmm.
that was also in the library.
Mm-hmm.
Now, it's basically returning everything. So something very unique to this environment that we're in is this Bluefish software.
I love my Bluefish.
That's something weird that Drew uses,
I
right?
love my Bluefish.
Okay, they're like the capture cards for like a studio. So now we see this, and we can see that it's not installed.
Mm-hmm.
Now look, like some of this stuff, like you're going to get blanks. Like this, very niche software,
Mm-hmm.
outdated is going to be I don't know,
Right.
right?
Right.
So just kind of calling that out, and also calling out. Check out the banner up here.
Yeah.
We're early access.
Right.
Okay. So is it going to change materially from this? No. Is there going to be some tweaks? Probably.
Only for the better, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right? So what can we do with this now?
Well, we can obviously sort.
Yep.
Right?
So we
If go to
can
the
we
top.
can we
Yep.
get a bunch of groups
Yep,
that you
we've got our
typically
filters.
wouldn't have.
What action can we take from here? I think that's probably the use, the biggest use. Can we drill down? Can we see those devices?
Sure.
What if I want to see the devices that,
Have an
let's pick one password.
outdated version of GIMP?
Yeah. Now from here, what can we do? Could we deploy GIMP to
Sure
these
can.
devices?
Sure can.
If we didn't have this strange view, we could see better. But yeah, so that is immediate value. So I think this one-stop shopping software pane, immediate value right there.
Yeah, you've now got two different views to the
Yeah.
same thing, sort of.
Yeah.
Right? Traditional, especially if you're coming from deploy and inventory, and traditional Connect view, you live here in like devices, right?
Yeah.
You might have, let's see, do we have a GIMP one here so we can compare apples to apples? No, we sure don't. Do we have Zoom? We sure do have Zoom. Okay, so we have Zoom latest, Zoom not installed, Zoom old. So I've got 3 different groups here created that all have, logic backing them.
Yep.
Instead, in the software tab, now I can do the same thing and not had to have create all of those
Because they're right
logic.
there.
They're all here for you, and
Yep.
you can take the same action from them. So then you can build your automations. You can do all sorts of things like that.
And I can also export these should I want to for any reason if I can make reports right off of here as well.
There you go.
Love that.
Check.
So the CEO is like, I want to see all the software groups in your entire environment. I could make reports right off of there too.
Yep. There you go. What else can we do from here?
Let's go back. I can see vulnerabilities.
You can see vulnerabilities. Yep. You can have.
So I can sort by, I want to know all the top vulnerabilities in my environment.
Yep. And how many vulnerable devices.
Yep.
So
What
you
if I
can
click on
split this
that?
down either way.
There they are.
So-
And then I can remediate those vulnerabilities right there, should I want to.
Yep. So this is going to look also very similar to this view.
But I would probably live right off of that software tab because I could see kind of everything I want to see right from there. This is like my, hey, ding dong, address this.
Yeah. From me, like this, what this does, and my point of view on this is actually where I live to build all of my automations.
Yeah.
See my environment at a glance.
Yep.
So, and what that does is if I can maintain and manage it from this view, which is a lot less overwhelming, when I switch over here, it's very detailed.
Yeah.
And there's a lot going on, and you need all of this information. And the actual goal here is to just reduce how much I have here.
Yeah.
So the more that I can live on this front end of automation, the more I can live on this front end of keeping devices up to date, the less work I actually have to do in this vulnerabilities tab.
Yeah.
And the less cognitive load I have of, okay, what do I do first?
Yeah. And so we're already getting a question. When is this coming? So they told us next week, early next week or later next week, you should see it. Most people should see it.
Yeah.
We just wanted to show you. We were too excited to show you.
We were excited. And that they're like always the caveat, in case something goes wrong.
Yes.
Everyone here has built something. You've all written a script. You've all built a thing.
Yes.
Something goes wrong at the end. Nobody wants something that half works.
Yeah.
Or has some oopses. So if everything goes right, that's when you'll see it.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah, this is my new view.
Yeah.
This is my new default view.
For sure.